Fine.
Fine, yes.
Okay, so just so you know, today is a special day in my life. I'm going to, in fact, show you and draw my life. Okay, so with a marker. Okay. Now, this is me.
TP.
Wait.
Okay.
No. And I want a complete sentence. Huh?
Okay.
What have I done? So you say you have seen something special.
Okay.
You have eaten something like a snake or a bug. You have traveled to New York.
Okay.
Yes.
You have lived in a teepee.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
It's a good guess, but no.
Okay.
Okay, here's some clue. Take your time. Okay, I'm going to draw an animal. Hope it's good enough. Tack, 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 tack. Yes, you have.
You have been
Yes.
in Egypt.
You have been to.
To Egypt.
But yeah, correct. Good job.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm curious about you. What have you done? So, do we have a volunteer? Say, can I draw? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to do? Okay, cool. Can I play, please?
Yes, you can.
Okay,
So, thank you. So, think about special event in your life.
Okay.
Something you want to share with the rest. Okay. The floor is yours.
And go.
You have
Eaten.
eaten a crocodile?
What's the other name? You have eaten
An alligator?
Yes.
Okay, can you repeat?
You have eaten an alligator.
Yes.
Good job, good job. Good job, Ben. Very nice drawing. Okay, thank you. So, just a teaser to make them talk about their life. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.